YouTube, this is the Vapor Cone and Med Stick, and we're going to show you how to pack it and clean it. This is an empty Vapor Cone. You can see all the way down into the element. This is some dry material. We're going to just pack it. Using a standard Bic pen, we're just going to gently tamp it down into the bottom of the cone. And a really good test is to know if you've got it right. See if anything falls out when you vertically orient it. Should not. That means nothing will come up into your mouth when you draw. You don't have to draw very hard, by the way. This is not a joint. You just have to make sure the actual element is lit. You do not have to draw a strong vapor into your mouth. And you just take a hit. I could take a couple of more at this point, but the point's made. Unscrew, open your drip tip. You can do that in the other order if you want. You can see that there's still material down in there. At this point, I can extract it using a paper clip. That's the easiest way, but also your Bic pen kind of comes in handy here. You can gently pull your material out. Oops. And so forth. Now, if you're not worried about losing some material and you're ready to wash your product, then there's a couple of different ways in which you can do this. You can use Q-tips, but I suggest that you take an old medication jar, put some 91% isopropyl alcohol in there, and you can see that there's not very much in there, and you can see also that we've already used it for cleaning once it's a little bit dirty. I'm just going to drop it in there just like that. Shake. Now, the trick is, do not hit your vapor cone while it has any alcohol residual in it. If you taste alcohol fume, let it sit and dry all the way. This takes about 5 to 15 minutes typically. If you're using very pure isopropyl alcohol, 99%, it should take less time. The less pure, of course, the less good it is for you if there is any residue. You can see I just took a Q-tip, simply rubbed it around the sides. Do not push down all the way into the cone, you'll break it. I've broken many of these. And that's it. Now I'm going to let it sit for a couple of minutes and it's a clean, fully functional vapor cone again. Pretty badass, huh? Thanks a lot, YouTube.